I'm using Cinnaberries from Be Scented. I made a really small batch of this last year, just testing the fragrance, and I loved it. So it was definitely going to make it again this year. So the fragrance does discolor a little bit. It gave my light green kind of a yellowish tint. So I'm going to do a dark green and then pink candy canes with a bow. So I extruded the candy cane, made the bows with the mold, cut out a little bit of the candy cane, and then put the bow on there. So those will be the top embeds. And then inside, I have a larger version. So the green has stayed pretty dark green. Hopefully it will stay like that. The moment of truth to see if I avoided air gaps under the candy cane hooks or if the soap was too thick and I got air gaps. I wish this was a little more over. The batter was starting to get thick. I mean, no air gaps, right? No air gaps, we'll take it. I thought about doing a swirl or something, but ultimately, I don't know. You can see the glycerin rivers in the candy cane. You can also see some of that yellow from the fragrance right along the edges. Kind of like glows around it. I have the candy cane on top. I love the candy cane with a bow. I don't know. I think it's cool. Sweet. I wish the candy cane was a little straighter. I think I pushed it a little bit when I was trying to fill in the nook so that we didn't get air gaps. I mean, relatively simple. I say relatively simple, but making these, those embeds took some time. So the design looks simple, but it actually, there was some labor involved. Gosh, this gelled and you can see glycerin rivers appeared in the embed. That always cracks me up. But the first official holiday soap video. No idea if this will be the first one you see, probably not, because there's no rhyme or reason. A lot of times it's what order do I edit them in to get them scheduled in time. But yeah, I actually have 3 batches down, many more to go. I did not do videos of the first 2. One was my Grinch restock, and the other was my Snickerdoodle. Which I just love the bead, the pearls. I think they make this design just layers, make us just stand out a little bit. But anyways, yeah. So 3 down, 20 something to go. Lots still to do.